Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Virgos, and I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, guys, so you can watch that if you want more clarity, Virgos. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So this is the card for you all today. So we will see what it is as we proceed, Virgos. So first, for your general energies, we have Six of Air, Queen of Air and Queen of Earth. So Virgos, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, you are someone who is having a lot of practical knowledge. You try to do things the right way, using your skills and talents, and you are someone really grounded and reliable. So you have a set of rules for yourself or ideals, and you follow that, and when you take up or when you make some decision, you stand by that, stand by those choices you make, and you are a very honest person, and you have good communication skills. You are a friendly soul, kind, compassionate, ready to work with people, and that may be the reason people love to work with you, and they love to help you maybe in any circumstance when you are facing some challenges. And you are someone who uses your opportunities wisely. So whatever it may be, maybe some financial choices or some path you need to choose for your career or maybe your personal life, whatever decisions you make, you do it wisely, you do it with that practical knowledge, and you are someone with a lot of experience, guys. And maybe today in this relationship, there may be certain things happening. Though you are a practical person, you know what will work well and what should be your action or your role in this relationship. Something is not right, or something is affecting the way things are, maybe your calm and composed nature. You are expecting some kind of troubles maybe, and you don't know where things will go or what will come or what will happen in this relationship. Maybe the way this person is, their behavior or their words is something that you cannot trust. You feel that they are trying to create a circumstance, they are trying to tell you something maybe, and communication is what is going to help you today, guys. And you must be very honest what you truly feel. Maybe with this person, maybe you expect them to be that, maybe even they expect you to tell them that, and they just want the truth with you, only the truth, and maybe they are here to tell you something also, maybe the truth in their heart. If this relationship is based on trust and true love, this is going to work, guys. Otherwise, let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Page of Air. So again, it just means that maybe they are trying to really understand you. Maybe you are in the beginning of this relationship. That may be the reason we have this energy here. And they want to find out what is there in your heart. in your heart of hearts, that truthful communication. That is what is going to help you today, guys, in this relationship. Maybe you are not telling them something. Maybe you have something from your past worrying you or troubling you. You don't want to repeat that same thing again, and that is the reason you are behaving in a particular way, or this may be their energy. But whatever it is, truthful communication is going to help this relationship, Virgos. So for your career situation, guys, we have 4 of fire. So looks like things are going in a positive way in your work situation. You are going to be really happy for the way things are going, guys. So let's see what is your moon energy card. You're very close to achieving your goal, gibbous moon. So this moon, it looks like a full moon. It's bulging, but it is not. It has to grow some more to become that full moon. So the same way in your situation, maybe you may see that your circumstances has come to an end. Maybe that yes or no answer will be the result today, but it is not so. You need something to do on your part, guys. Maybe some adjustment you need to make, some actions you need to do if you want to be on the right track, or if you want the results to be what you like. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you are on the right track, so you can be happy for that, but a little more time will give you the answer. That is the energy here, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Virgos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.